Z. Welcome to my channel. I share easy DIY and towel art videos with you. If you like this video, please share it and give it a thumbs up.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you could take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Thank you so much for your support. If you are new to my channel, welcome. On my channel, I share easy DIY and towel art videos with you. If you like these kinds of videos, you can always check out the home page. Please share this video, like it, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section down below. Don't forget to check out the description box. There are links to more videos that you can watch. I hope that you have enjoyed watching today's video. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next one.